Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a KitchenAid dishwasher and it's giving you a 6-4 error code on it if you have a digital display. And if you don't have a digital display, it will show you this error code via blinks. So instead of saying 6-4, it will blink 6 times, it will have a 2-second pause, and then it will blink 4 more times. What this is the float switch that controls how much water goes into the dishwasher. There is something, so when the water fills up, the float floats up and it tells the dishwasher that the dishwasher has water in it. So if it's giving you this error, it's saying that this float is up when it's not supposed to be. There's water in it when it's not supposed to be. And so there's 2 things that could be happening here. One is there is something like food or something like that, or debris underneath that float that's holding it up. So we want to check that and make sure there's nothing holding that float up. And the second thing is there could actually be water like seeping into it. So we just want to make sure that the inlet valve is not letting water leak into the dishwasher while it's off, while water's not supposed to be coming in. That could be creating, making that float valve go up. It's trying to cut the water off, but it can't because there's a leak. So anyways, one of those 2 things should be what's going on if you're getting this error. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.